Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been super long since I've uploaded a video, probably like 5 months, not even kidding. I've just been super busy, but today I thought I would take the opportunity while my son is at school to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup, or like makeup on the go, no makeup look, whatever you want to call it. Like, this literally takes me like 10 minutes to slap on. And it's just easy, and I don't look like I just rolled out of bed. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Baby, I like your style. Alright, first things first, I like to moisturize my face whether or not I'm wearing makeup. The moisturizer I've been using lately is this Drunk Elephant one I got from Sephora. And I really like it. It's not too heavy for me, which I need in a moisturizer because I will break out. So this one's nice. Sometimes I like to use a moisturizer with SPF in it if I know I'm going to be outside. But today I'll just use this one. Okay, next I'm going to just be putting some chapstick on to moisturize my lips. It's just some Burt's Bees chapstick. Oh, can't even see the label. Burt's Bees. Nothing special. Now I'm going to be putting some concealer under my eyes and in some problem areas. I'm looking at a mirror right here, so that's why. The concealer that I'm using today is this MAC one. MAC. In the shade NC20, and it's the mineralized concealer. I don't really like this one. It doesn't really have a full coverage, but for days like this when I'm just not looking for that full coverage, it's nice. It's just something light, but it still kind of does the job. So, and I'm trying to get rid of it so I can buy a new one, a different type. So I'm just literally slapping this on my eye, under my eyes.
As you can see, nothing too precise. I have a pimple right here, so I'm going to cover that up. And right here, and over here.
With my damp beauty blender, actually this isn't an actual beauty blender, but it's the Real Techniques ones, which work just as good, I kid you not. I'm going to blend this out. I got this one in a pack of 4 for Christmas, and I literally am obsessed. I have, my couch is supposed to be delivered today. We got a new couch, so they could be here any minute. But my son is at school, so I thought it would be a perfect time to record this video. And I need to look like I didn't just roll out of bed, so there's that. Okay, now that the concealer's on, I'm going to go in with some of this Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter. I really like this for like days like this when I just need something. I'm just gonna put it like right here. Oh my gosh, Bruno, really? You're doing the most. Doing the most. Don't put too much because then it could get too cray, but just a little to give me that dewy glow look. This literally takes me like 10 minutes tops. Alright, once that liquid highlighter is on, this bun is going crazy. Once that liquid highlighter is on, I'm going to put some powder, just a light powder on my face. This one is the Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. I'm just going to dust some of this lightly over like my T-zone. I don't want to go over that highlight because I don't want to cover it up, so I'm just going to put it right around here. My nose, my eyes. Alright, that's it. Next, we're going to literally, I don't know why I keep saying that word, but I'm going to like throw some eyeshadow over the top of my lids really quickly. Nothing special. I'm using this Tarte's Pro 2 Go quad palette. And I'm going in with this lightest color. I just like to have like a little bit of color on my lids. That way they don't look all like veiny and weird and stuff. So I'm just literally throwing this on top. Just one color, you guys. That's all I do normally. I don't have time to do like a full-on glam every single day. I just really don't. And I am too lazy for that. So if I'm just keeping it real with you, I'm too lazy. So this is what I do when I need to look like I'm presentable and that I'm not a walking zombie. Okay, next I'm going to just apply some mascara. I'm going to do that off camera just to save some time, and I'll be right back. Okay, now mascara is on. I usually won't even bother like filling in my eyebrows on days like this. I'll just kind of sometimes just brush them out, but today I think I'm just gonna throw some of this instant brow gel instant brow gel on my eyebrows just to, you know, I don't know. Does it really do anything? I have no idea. But yeah. Excuse my eyebrows right now, by the way. I need to get them done. It's been a couple weeks. I guess this just adds some color to my bald spots in my eyebrows when I'm too lazy to take the time to fill them in. And it combs them. So does that look any different? Probably not, but you know what? We're gonna do it anyways. Okay, after that, I'm gonna add some color back into my face by using the, oh no, it's not even here. Let me go get it. Add some color back into my face with my Hoola bronzer. And yeah, so I don't look like a ghost. So I kind of look alive a little bit, you know? Jeez, that mom life got me like, dang, I don't even know how to put makeup on anymore. It's like, why try? Then I'm like, oh yeah, my husband still has to look at me, so. Just kidding. He loves me no matter what. Okay, so adding some color back into the face with some bronzer. Now I'm going to go in and add a little tiny bit of blush. So yeah, just a little bit of color on the apples of my cheeks. If you really want to be fancy, girl, you can go back in and put some actual highlighter on. But I think I'm okay with this, how it's looking right now. I'm just going to add some gloss over top of my lips. The gloss that I'm using is, sorry, I'm all digging through my stuff over here. Be prepared, Ashley. Come on, get it together. Ulta Beauty Lip Plumping Gloss. It's just a clear gloss. And this one you can actually feel it like plumping your lips. So that's why I like to wear it. Usually I'll just wear this like over my lipstick and stuff. But I ain't wearing lipstick today. And there we go. And that's about it. Oh my god, I totally forgot. When I moisturize, I like to spray my face. This is like before I do any of this makeup. I like to spray my face with this Mario Badescu rose water. It just makes my face feel so fresh and just like wakes you up. I'll spray some now. And voila, that is it. Here's the final look. This is Ashley every day. Hello, not even every day. Twice a week, maybe. Here we go. Yeah, so I hope you like my quick and easy makeup tutorial. How to get out of the house in less than 10 minutes, or get ready in less than 10 minutes. I'm really a pro at that. So yeah, now I don't have to show up at my son's preschool to pick him up looking all busted. Like, dang girl, you need to get some sleep or something. Nope, I'm ready to go. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We'd love to have you here. So yeah, this I promise I'll be like filming and uploading more videos. I just, like I said, I'm super busy. I got kids, girl. I know it's not an excuse, but life has been kind of crazy for me right now, so give me a break. Alright? But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and a good weekend. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.